Dusty Rose. Today, I have something a little different. Meet Rene of Paris's Cosmo Sleek and Dusty Rose. Do not freak out about the box hair. She has been pinned down, slicked down inside of her box for a while. But we're going to bring her back to life in just a second. Step back. Cosmo Sleek is a long fashion color wig. These fashion colors are not anything reminiscent of natural, right? This is a salon created look. Dusty Rose has, I would say, a dulled down mauvey pink color with some strawberry blonde highlights and a brown root running throughout, which that always helps to add another dimension of color. So as you can see already, just in this here, lifting it up, separating those fibers, all of a sudden, it changes the look, the color, the realism. Scratch those fibers, wake them up, release them, and you're going to get a much more realistic look. Okay, pretty color, pretty color. If you think you can't wear fashion colors, think again. Fashion colors have become the norm. This is not outlandish anymore. This is everyday attire. You're seeing it everywhere on every single age. Consider something like this for yourself. If you're not ready to wear it to the office or around your daily shopping and chores, consider wearing this to a party. Consider this for Thanksgiving or Christmas. You want to wow someone? Grab a fashion color. Okay, let's look inside the cap. Did you like today's content? If you did, please subscribe, like, and share it with a friend. Now, there is a very special feature with this cap, and I'm very excited to get to show you. It is this inner netting, this sheer net that is inside. I'm going to try to get this on camera. I can't really see how well it's coming through, but if you'll notice, your wefts are still there. It's a wefted cap. This mesh liner provides comfort. It gives the illusion of root under there so you don't see wefts. If the hair lifts up, you're not going to see obvious wefting. It's just going to see this same color throughout. So it's just going to look like more of the rooting. And what's really great about the Muse collection and this fashion, these fashion wigs that have this inner mesh is these wigs are designed for people who have plenty of bio hair to simply use these wigs to change up fashion. These are just the ultimate accessory. So if you have a lot of bio hair and you've pulled it up and you've got it in a ponytail and something falls out, the bun comes undone, you've got hair sticking out, it will not poke through the wefting and stick out of your wig. So it's a wonderful way to disguise that. You've got beautiful, really, really comfortable velvety tabs. nape. You have Velcro tabs, which are awesome for adjustability. These velvet ear tabs with metal stays. You have a left side monofilament part with a nice deep lace here. This runs right to the ear tabs. So I would say that's a true temple to temple. It has very, very, very modest permatease, and that is only to help lift those hairs off of the scalp so this does not look like an inexpensive no brand wig, like a costume wig. It needs lift. Hair needs to lift. I'm going to disturb this pattern here. I'm going to grab a wig brush and I'm going to just take off the, get her out of there. I'm just going to disturb the part a little bit. And I want to comb it. I'm just so gently. I'm so gentle. I'm not pulling. I don't want to pull any fibers. She's super slick at this point, but I'm going to go a little sideways against the wefting so I can get her the gravity to release her from the cap. I just want to separate fibers as much as possible. Okay, I think that's good enough. With the brush, flipper. These long wigs are tricky. You don't want to tangle them when you flip them. So, okay, let's see what we can do. Let's see the difference here. Oh, already so different. The part is still here. It is pretty much exactly where it was. I'm just gonna move it a tiny bit. See if I can control the situation a little bit. Wait, where's the part? There it is. Okay. It's so low density. I cannot feel where the parting begins and ends. Now this does have a little bit of face flop. Let's just move it back a little bit. Feel where that wig is. Okay, the temple's right here. So that part, oh, that part goes way over to here. Gives me quite a bit of movement in this wig. Let's see if I can make it, sorry about that. Let's see if I can make it a little bit more towards center. How close can I get it? I'm just loosening up the hair at the cap where it was hand tied. Now I can take a little bit of, this is a heat friendly wig, but I can pin this back with a little water and let that dry, and I will get her on straight here. I will get this to come back. It's actually pretty dramatic coming across the face like that, but I can get some control over that. But as you see, as I just release those fibers from each other, this color is just stunning. All right, we're not gonna force it right now. Let her have her way. Where does she want to go? Look at this. Look at this beautiful color. I'm so excited that these fashion colors have stuck around. I thought it was a short-lived trend, but we're going on to a decade. I think these are here to stay. So, this old gal is gonna rock it. I think you should try it. I really do. I think that we should expound beyond our boundaries as often as we can. All right, I'm going to do a little twist and show you what she looks like all the way around. And I'm going to show you that there's a lot of room in this cap on me. I'm going to see if the camera can pick it up before I reveal it. I'm just going to see if it shows up. We'll find it. We'll find the perfect spot. So, because this is a fashion collection wig and designed for people who have hair to be able to wear this as well, they've built extra room in this cap. For me, it's a lot of room. You see the extra cap there? So, I do have a flat head. Common problem for me to have a little bit of a bubble back there, a little bit of extra cap. On this one, it feels like a lot of extra cap. And I have taken in my wigs before, and I think in this type of wig, it might be more difficult to take in, but I love this color. She's the longest wig I think I've ever had. And actually I had one other that was about this long, and I just chopped it off to right about here. So this has a 9 to 11 front. It's 12 to 14 overall. It's got a 12 nape, and I could easily trim this down and have this length, which I think would be super cute on me. Feels more me. But I might decide, oh, can you imagine the updos? Ponytails? So cute. Oh yeah, that would be really cute. I would do that. I might keep this long drama piece for holidays. I might do updos. So let's take a look at our lace front. Make sure I have her on my forehead properly. Get a good look at the root. I will definitely take some water and spray it down. I would definitely put some heat on it, and I'm gonna get a little bit more control over the parting. But honestly, just a little scalp massage was all she needed. What a beauty. If I were 20, watch out, world. If I were 20 and knew about wigs, I would have got myself in a lot of trouble, probably. Oh, she's a beauty. If you love this wig, or you want to do something daring or try something new, or if you want to try cutting a wig, go get yourself something really long to practice on. At any rate, you're going to have so much fun. You're going to have so much fun. Go to TLWigs.com. Pick out something special for you. Holidays are coming, girls. They're coming. Let's get ready. Thanks for tuning in.